Hey extraordinary people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're new here, my name is Nadine. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a playlist using your laptop or your PC. If this is information that you feel is valuable to you, please stick and stay. I'll begin momentarily.
NMC's world, extraordinary people, people from around the world. NMC's world, we care for each other, we're sisters and brothers, it's true. Whether we're near or far, you are my shining star. No need to roam, this is your home.
Go to your home page. You're going to see two tabs: customize channel or manage videos. Now any of these that you select will do just fine because they're both going to take you into YouTube Studio. So if you click on one, you'll see channel customization, and the other one will show you channel content. So now you're in channel playlist. The next move is to click on playlist. This is already selected. If you haven't done that, you can go ahead and do so, and it's going to take you to where you need to create a new playlist at the top right hand corner of your page. It's going to open up a dialog box, or a box that you can input information. So you're going to type in what you want your playlist to be called, right? So playlist required, the title is required. In this case, because I'm offering you tips, I'm just going to put in NMC's World Test. Here you can see whether you want to cancel it or create highlighted in blue. All right. The next move is to decide whether you want to post your playlist right away. So you can either set it to public, private, or unlisted, depending on what you want to do. Let's say you're not putting in any videos, you can either leave it on private or unlisted. So in this case, I put it to public so that it can create. Now you see where you have a playlist created, but there is no video in there, right? So there is absolutely no video. You can choose to edit it from this section, clicking on one of these pencil looking icons to the right, and add your videos. But in this case, I'm going to go back to my front page and I'm going to be selecting a video, right? And the video I'm going to be using is 6 reasons to start a YouTube channel in 2022, because I do have this video already created. All right, so I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to show you exactly how to proceed. So I open the video. Here's the video, and just to clarify, just to verify, 6 reasons to start a YouTube channel in 2022. Now you're going to see a section that has a plus sign and save. You're going to want to click on that right away. When you click on that, it will open up a box and you will see that the NMC's World Tips has been created right there. In order to put the video into this playlist, you're going to be doing something else. You're going to click on that and then it will highlight it in blue, which means that it has been added to the playlist, as you see here. So you'll see a section that's blue and you will see a tick. When you go back into channel playlist, as I showed you earlier, you will see that now you have a playlist with a thumbnail, and it shows you that you have put one video inside that playlist, right? You can go back to your home page and you can also decide to click on playlist from your front page, and you will see that the video has been created there. It also shows that you have one video in the playlist. I'm happy to have created this video for you today. If you want to add more videos, then you're going to start from where I began with you. If you want to see more and you want to have a better understanding, go back from start and follow the steps again. If today's video has provided some value to you, please consider joining the NMC's World family by hitting the red subscribe button, turning on the post notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. I also offer membership on my channel, so please consider joining my membership as well. See you in my next video.